There's a new way to find out what material your bike's frame is made from without having to Google it. And it's called the Insta360 GO 2, because magnets are its party piece. It all starts with the multi-purpose case that doesn't at all look exactly like an Apple AirPods case. The camera snaps into the case where the connection pins allow it to charge, which means you don't need to carry spare batteries on the ride, because it can fully charge in 30 minutes while you ride. The case also acts as a remote control with an LCD display, while either being a handheld grip, mini tripod once you unfold its feet, or mounted to a real, in this case mini, tripod. And the attraction continues with your fork stanchions, not wheels or engine, exhaust, handlebars, rear shock, sprockets, bar ends, tank, and even the chain. So needless to say, it is a rather entertaining little magnetic camera. But once you run out of things to stick it to, you'll probably start to worry about how good it really is as, well, a camera. Now, it doesn't take long to realize that the GO 2 isn't trying to compete with a GoPro or Insta360's 1R or X2 cameras, and is purely here to be a fun little camera intended to capture the stranger off-the-bike moments, more than epic riding footage, which probably means more Instagram and TikTok videos rather than YouTube videos. Don't get me wrong, there are no limitations to this camera. It will do whatever you ask of it, and it will do it quite well too, because it can be mounted to a motorcycle to get riding footage with this clamp style mount, allowing your regular GoPro mounts to be used. Then there's also this magnetic mount that's even more convenient. But the magnets aren't quite up for a motocross track, as I found out the hard way. So I'm going to stick to the clamp style mount. Most of its included mounts encourage off-the-bike use anyway, like the pendant that makes POV shots very easy, while you wear it around your neck under your shirt for the camera to simply snap to. Except it's not great with bike jackets. And even my lightweight denim jacket starts to be a bit much for it if it's any more than one layer thick. However, it did manage to hang on for a ride with the pendant in my pocket, even if it's not a great angle, and I kept making sure I hadn't unknowingly brushed it off. A t-shirt is more up its street, and then it's even strong enough for some shenanigans. Like this, it looks very neat and unnoticeable and is great for incognito shots. Accidentally dropping it in your fuel tank is a very real possibility with its minuscule size, because it really can fit. But not to worry, because it has almost all the features that make Insta360 cameras so good, like being waterproof up to 8 meters. And your tank shouldn't be that deep. The good news is you also don't have to worry about drinking too many Red Bulls and getting the shakes, because flow state stabilization and a biker's favorite horizon leveling should take care of that. And of course, you can't forget hyperlapses, slow-mo, and time lapses, which can all be done from the app like you'd expect from this light-hearted camera. And it even creates its own quick edits from your day of filming for you to share. Its second party trick is simply being as small as it is. I mean, it makes the 1R look like a DSLR, even if we're cheating a little. But that means it can get shots other cameras couldn't. Ultimately, it's the perfect camera for easy short format videos. And with its compact size, it's effortless to always have on you. GoPros often get forgotten when your bike is parked, and that is when this little camera comes out and is at its best. But anyway, if you want to learn more about the Go 2, check out the link in the description and let me know what you think the Go 2 would be perfect for. And I'll see you on the next ride.